Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing this makeup look right here using only 5 essential items if the world was going to end. Okay, so let's get started. I have 5 items right in front of me, and these are items I picked out because I felt like they're definitely like multi-purpose, multi-use type of items. And I mean, hey, if it's a multi-purpose item, multi-purpose makeup, I feel like that's like a win-win situation. You get what I'm saying? So, as I'm putting my makeup on, you guys will see what I'm using. Alright, so first off, this one was really tricky for me, you guys, because I was going back and forth between an eyebrow pencil or an eyeliner, you guys. It was 5 items only. It was one or the other. And can you guys guess which one I lean towards? Comment down below if you think you know the answer, whether I picked the eyeliner or the eyebrow pencil. Alright, well, I was gonna pick the eyeliner because I do like creating eye look that's like nice and bold and just, giving a nice statement. But your girl cannot leave the house without a nice, crisp, not just crisp, but just a well put together set of eyebrows. I mean, I can leave the house without makeup. That's not an issue for me. But when I do put on makeup, I just feel like, in my opinion, the makeup, at least to me on my face, it doesn't look complete once my brows are there. It's like, you know what they say, the brows are the frame to the picture or the picture frame to your face, something like that. All right, so the eyebrow pencil is my first choice. For this, I picked the e.l.f. Cosmetics eyebrow pencil. Super affordable, and you can get it at like pretty much any drugstore. And the reason why I picked this one is not only is it affordable, you guys, it comes with a spoolie. Now, I don't know about you guys, but for me, I have to have a spoolie when doing my brows. My brows are ridiculously long and they could be tamed, but a lot of the times I don't really tame them like that. I don't go get my brows done. What you see right now is just what my brows look like naturally. I mean, I might just pull off a little bit of stragglers like here or there, but I don't shape my brows. I don't get them tweezed or whatever. A big part of that is because I'm just kind of lazy, don't want to have to worry about that. And honestly, I don't think my natural brows look all that bad, you know, just saying. So, this is my first item is a brow pencil. So, my brows are complete and now I want something that's going to really brighten up my eyes. And because I'm not putting in foundation in my, 5 only must-have items if the world was going to end, whatever situation, I wanted to put something that was going to brighten my eyes up and cover them if I needed them covered like completely. Not like natural coverage, but you want that full on coverage. So I picked the Tarte Shape Tape. Now, I will say I do really like this concealer. Don't get me wrong, I like it a lot. But the thing is, I have extremely dry skin. So the way I use it is basically I would make sure I have like a hydrating primer or like just really take care of my skin, keeping it nice and hydrated and moisturized. And then I go in with this. The best part about this concealer is it's nice full coverage, you guys. That's the main reason why I wanted to add it into my 5 only item collection. But I mean, honestly, on my skin, it is a little bit drying. I'm not gonna lie, it is quite drying. But it does the job. It covers your dark circles, and that's what I'm mainly looking for. So, we are going to add this right under our eyes. And the best part about concealers is you can also use them as like a base for your eyelids if you want to do your eye makeup. So that is what we're doing. Adding that right under our eyes. Okay, so would it be considered cheating if I use tools to blend out this concealer? So this tool or sponge I'm using right now is the Tati Beauty Blender or Tati Blendiful. Tati Beauty Blendiful. That's the word I'm looking for. All right, so Tati Beauty Blendiful. And the 5 items I put in my little collection are only makeup items. All the brushes and everything, I didn't include them. So if you consider that a little bit of a cheat, then, whatever, right? I mean, I guess you can like blend it in with your fingers, but honestly, I just don't want to do that. So I'm going to use this Tati Blendiful, and we are going to pretend that it is blended out with the fingers, if you will. So, and besides, if you don't have this yet, I'm not sure what you're waiting for. She does not know I exist, and I watch her videos all the time. I love her videos, and this is just, honestly, this is just a really great tool. I feel like when I first heard about it, I was like, a sponge? I don't get what's so special about that. But it's like one of those things where you feel like you don't need it until you get it. You're like, oh, I do need that. Definitely. Okay, so we are blending. And my computer is going crazy because my friends are texting me. Let me go ahead and silent that real quick. All right, so the concealer is nicely blended in. And yeah, this is my second item of my 5 must-have if the world was going to end makeup collection. All right, so let's see. So the third one is this palette right here. Now this, you guys, honestly, I want to say it was a difficult choice to pick out, but it really wasn't for me just because this palette is the perfect multi-use palette. If you're thinking about saving money, especially in times like this with the whole like, stay at home happening, quarantine, people losing their jobs, but you kind of still want to play with makeup and, I don't know, just kind of treat yourself. If I were you, this is probably what I'd get or something similar to this. Just because, let me show you guys. This is what you call the perfect palette for multi-purpose, multi-use, all right? If you look at it, it has the shades that you need to spice up your look, to highlight your look, to create a nice, as a matter of fact, I could have just gone out without the brow pencil and used these really nice brown matte shades to fill in my brows, but I mean, the spoolie, that's what got me. The spoolie, that's what got me. But, this is just a perfect multi-use palette. So, this is the eyeshadow palette that I picked out. This is my third item. So, for my third item, I'm going to take the Tati Blendiful. And yes, like I mentioned earlier, the brushes, the sponges, they're not included in the 5, essential end-of-the-world items. So, just kind of, let's act like or pretend I'm not using it. But yeah, I'm using the Tati Blendiful, and in this palette, it has the shade called Frothy. Basically, a really nice brightening shade, perfect for the under eye. So, Frothy will be that shade right there. I'm gonna dip in to Frothy. Did you guys even see what that shade was? Is that shade right there? You see that? Alright, so I dipped in, and this is what it looks like on the sponge. And basically, I'm using that to set my under eye, and at the same time, do you guys see that brightening happening? To brighten up my under eye, to really give myself that I'm awake. I had a nice 8 hours of sleep, which really never happens, but we're gonna pretend I did. So I'm using this to really brighten up the under eye. So just to really brighten up my face that much more, I went ahead and kind of brightened up my forehead. I'm going to continue to brighten up down my nose and just any points where I want to really bring out that brightening look. Alright, so now that's looking pretty good. To bronze up my face, or just to give my face a little bit of definition, you guys, I'm taking the shade called Cafecito, which is that bottom one right there. And for me, I have to use an extremely light hand to do this. So I dipped it in using this brush right here. This is a Morphe brush, all right? So very lightly. And even after dipping my brush in lightly, I want to kind of tap off the excess, which I already done. And I'm going to just ever so lightly place that where I want to kind of, bronze up my face. Give it a little bit of shape. Just like that. Maybe down my chin. Trying to give myself a nice chiseled look. Alright, so I think that's looking pretty good. So my bronzer is on. My nice brightening under eye is on. So what's missing? I want blush, you guys. Blush? Oh, don't worry about it. this palette has blush, this beautiful strawberry milk color right here, and that's exactly what it's called, strawberry milk. I'm going to use that as a blush color, and it's going to be the perfect blush color for me. I just think it's a really nice blush color. So taking this brush, I've already dipped it in. I'm going to add the blush in right on my cheeks. And this is a very pigmented blush, if you will. And I do like going over my nose. So I'm going to do exactly that. And you guys, some people are not a big fan of like super pigmented, like blush looking stuff. Just, you know, use less, tap off the excess, use a lighter hand. You can even like mix it in with that frothy color I mentioned earlier to kind of mute down that blushiness or the redness. So that is what I'm doing. So I think the blush is looking very nice and very blushy, which I love. So a nice pinky strawberry milk blush look is perfect. Now, if you guys know me, of course, in my 5 essential end of the world makeup collection must-have, highlighters, glitter, glitz, glam. You guys know that it's just, I can't, no. A world without glitter would be, I mean, would it even be considered a world to live in, honestly? I don't know, all right? So this palette has the perfect shimmer highlight, and honestly, I think for various skin tones, look at these 3 different shimmers you see right here. Beautiful, stunning. Honestly, I can't get enough of them. So I'm going to use this shade right here that you see right there. Yes, this shade right here. That you guys is called Frappuccino. All right, so take that, and using a brush like this is also a Morphe brush, and I'm going to just give myself a little bit of highlight, a little bit of bling bling, if you will. That is looking beautiful. All right, so add a little bit more on the other side. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So right here it has no highlight, none of that frappe shade, and we're going to just add that on. Do you guys see the difference? All right, so that is looking really nice. Of course, on the tip of my nose, and just really anywhere I want to just highlight, pretty much just all over my face, because I want to be a walking glitter. All right, so that is the highlight part. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes real quick. Of course, I'm using this palette, and most of the brushes I'll be using are Dominique Cosmetics brand. Okay, so the first shade I'm using is the color called Blonde Rose. I'm just placing that literally all over my eyelid, basically focusing it on the outer corner and just kind of sweeping it back and forth. It's gonna be like a nice base color for me slash transition color. Okay, so next I'm taking the color called Coffee Bean, and I'm placing that just on the outer corner, just like this, and doing the same exact thing on the other eye. And then you guys, for my inner corner, I picked up this golden shimmer shade. Let me just check what she calls it. Drizzle. It's called Drizzle. And it's just a really beautiful golden shade. Pop that right in the inner corner. You guys see that? A nice little pop right there. So that is what it looks like that. Okay. So the eye look is almost complete. Almost complete. So my eye makeup is coming together, looking really nice. I think it looks beautiful. So eyeliner. Obviously, if you watched from the beginning, I chose the brow pencil instead of the eyeliner. And that is why I'm going to use this as an eyeliner as well. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes real quick using this brow pencil. And then to really just darken up the rest of that eyeliner look, I'm taking this shade right here called Coffee Bean. On a small little thin brush like this. This is the DS01, the blade brush. And I'm just gonna finish off that eye look just like that. You guys, look at this. I'm pretty much done with my makeup, and I still have 2 more items left that I can use. 2 more items. All right, so honestly, I'm kind of proud of myself. I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually very proud of myself. So, my 4th item, you guys, is mascara. All right. Yes, I feel like with mascara and curling what am I saying? I feel like mascaras and lash curler, they are just like 2 peas in a pod. They go hand in hand. They work well together when they work together. You get what I'm saying? But I didn't put a curling wand or a, lash curler in this 5 set. I did put in a mascara, and today I decided to put in the Thrive Cosmetics mascara. You guys, it was either this mascara or Never Fail Ride or Die Voluminous Original L'Oreal mascara. But I've been playing around with this mascara a lot, so I'm like, what the heck, might as well just throw that in there. So, mascara, or whatever mascara of your choice, I am taking this mascara and I'm going to apply that to my lashes. Okay, so I went ahead and put on the mascara, and that's what it looks like. And also, you guys, one of the big reasons why I did pick this mascara is because it's a lengthening mascara. You can pick whatever mascara you want, but for me, I like the whole lengthening mascara look. So I picked the Thrive Cosmetics. All right, so we have one more makeup item to add into our 5 must-have end of the world collection. And I picked this right here, the Laneige Berry Lip Balm. Now, I don't like having dry, crackly lips, right? It's just it's not a good feeling, you guys. So why not get a lip balm that is a lip balm, a nice moisturizing lip balm. On top of that, has a hint of color to it to spice up your look, to make it look nice. And I really feel like this lip balm with the hint of color, it just really pulls the look together and finishes the look off very nicely. Alright, so this, you guys, is the finished makeup look. You guys, a nice, complete, full face makeup using only 5 items. I don't know about you guys, but that's pretty amazing. And like I said, I am definitely proud of myself. I think the makeup looks beautiful. I think it came out really great. These 5 items are a must-have if the world was going to end and you can only have 5 items, you guys. So here's the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you haven't already, go ahead and like this video. Give it a thumbs up. That does mean a lot to me, you guys, honestly. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. Join the Kwak fam and click on that notification bell. That way, whenever I upload, you'll be notified and you won't miss out. All right, so there's that. So if you want to see any other content or anything else, you want to comment something nice, comment down below, whatever you want to comment down, and follow me on my social media, all that good stuff. And what else? I think that's pretty much it, you guys. All right, so I hope you guys are staying home, staying safe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I will talk to you next time. Bye, guys.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls.